Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to use Google Meet on mobile new feature in 2024. Let me show you how to do that. From my mobile, I just open Meet application, that is Google Meet. So I have installed Meet application. So this is my Meet application. So I can able to see search code, or you can able to create a new meeting over here. So as you see here, so this is a basic meeting application format over here. So in your right hand side corner you will find a sandwich menu. Just hit the button. You will have a privacy meeting settings and help and feedback will be there. So in your right hand side corner you will find your account. So what are the account you have, your everything will be displayed over here like that, like a Google account. So if I want to create a new meeting, or I just want to join the meeting, I can enter the meeting code, or I can enter the link and I can join the meeting. I just want to create a new meeting. I just click here to create a new meeting. So once I create a new meeting, I just click here to create a meeting, or I can able to schedule the meeting. I just want to create a meeting, just click the create a meeting. So this is a meeting code I can able to create and join the meeting. I can share with my friends during using my WhatsApp or my mail or Instagram, anything else. So I can copy the link and I can share with my friends with the social media. So I just want to join the meeting over here. Just click here to join the meeting. I just click the join meeting, so I can able to see my face over here. So this is my camera and mic is working properly, so I can able to see here, and I can able to click the effective panel over here. So I just click here to effective panel, so I can able to change my background. This is a new feature, so I just click here to change my background, so that it will be easy to change my entire background as you see here. So there are the beautiful features will be there, so you can able to see. I just scroll down, I will have the blur and upload, and I just click here to see my blurred upload things, and there will be a 360-degree view will be there. So I just click here, so I can able to move somewhere else. Automatically the 360 will be moved here as you see here. So there are the 360 degrees, so wherever I move, everything will be displayed in a 360-degree patterns. So I can able to choose, and I can able to work for the meeting. For example, I just want to show something else. There will be 360-degree meeting will be there from the Google, so it will be given for that. So you can able to see the filter options, so you can able to check the filters. You can able to keep some filters against your things, and the appearance. So if you want to use a black and white, or a brightness and colors, everything will be there. So you can able to choose according to your need. You don't want any style, you can remove all the things. So if I want to remove all the things, I just want to see the basic things. On top you will have this kind of options. Just click the button and remove all, remove the style. So you can remove the background and remove everything. So basic will be there. So you can choose according to your need, and you can start the meeting. So before enter into the meeting room, you can able to set all kind of things will be there. Yeah. So now I just want to join the meeting over here. I just click here to join the meeting. Automatically my meeting will be joined over here. As you see, my camera is working properly, and I can able to cut the call. I can able to mute my camera. I can able to enable my camera. I can able to mute my mic. I can able to remove my mic over here. So the participant can enter means the participant able to see my face. Yes. Now I just want to change the background over here. I can click here to change effective panel to change the meeting styles. So here there will be a more control. Just hit the button more control. You will have a share screen option, and you will have a heart and symbols will be there. You can click here for the meeting, so that the heart symbol will be added over here in your meeting. And you can able to check the screen sharing option. Once I click a share screening, so I can able to share my screen according to my needs, and I can able to see the show caption option. So whatever I'm talking, everything will be displayed in a subtitles option, so that the caption will be switched on, so that I can able to check whether they are talking in a proper language, means it will be display in captions. Yeah. So I can able to hide the caption, and so there will be activities, host to control, everything will be in a new model there, or on the go will be there. So once I click the on the go, so I can able to see different types of things. These are the meeting code, and this is the mute and erase option, audio option only will be available, so you can cut the call, so you can travel anywhere else, you can able to understand, you can able to talk everything. I just want to turn off this one, so everything will be displayed over here, so as a simple and easiest way. So yeah, so on the go means you can work for any other types of works, though your camera will be muted, your mic won't be display over there. So activities panel you can create, and you can show the YouTube video, watch others with the YouTube videos, heads up, play the cards with friends, and host the playing and kitchen learning games, and the classic games also you can play with the activities area, so that you can able to see, watch a video with your friends, everything will be there. As well as you can able to click a host control, because I am hosting the control of the things, so I can able to give access for the share screen everyone, and send the chat and things. If I want to hide this one, just enable the option, so I can able to let the screen will be enabled. I just remove means they cannot able to share their screen and change the things, and reaction also they can send. So these are the host management control. And meeting access, there will be a open access for everyone, or trusted people with the Google Join, they can able to join. You can choose according to your need, you can give access to them. So simple and easiest tip with the Google Meet, it is the easiest way you can conduct the meeting through the online medium, you can able to see. So if I want to pin this board, you can able to pin this board, minimize your video and maximize your videos according to your need. For example, I just want to maximize my video will be displayed over here. So I just want to see the participant list, so there will be a I was created the meeting so that I can able to see the participant list over here, so that they can able to join the meeting, I can able to give the access for this. So this is a simple and easiest way to create the meeting, to join the meeting, and to attend the meeting. So if you like these tips, if you have any doubt, you can ask in a comment box in this thing, and you can share this video to your friends, so that they can able to aware the Google Meet new features. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.